Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to Visionary Global Consultancy. So friends, in this video we will discuss about Griffith University International Postgraduate Research Scholarship, Australia. This is the highest paid scholarship in Australia. So we will discuss in details how much amount they are paying, which departments they are offering for their scholarship, and how to apply and what is the eligibility criteria to apply for this research scholarship. So before going in details, I request you as always, if you are new on my YouTube channel, do like this video, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and click bell icon as you can receive all upcoming videos. So let's discuss in details. You can see here I have opened Griffith University International Postgraduate Research Scholarship official page, and here we will discuss PhDs and research degrees, how you can find a supervisor, research degree scholarships and their amount, how to apply, and the schools of Griffith Graduate Research Scholarship. The Griffith University International Postgraduate Research Scholarship is available to apply for during the university's continuous scholarship round. The Griffith University International Postgraduate Research Scholarship covers tuition fees for the applicant for up to 3 years for doctoral candidates and up to 2 years for research master's candidates. The scholarship covers overseas student health cover for the applicant and any dependent for the duration of the scholarship. Your all health insurance will be covered by this scholarship program. Eligibility criteria. In eligibility criteria, Griffith University International Postgraduate Research Scholarship is available to international applicants who are commencing enrolled in a research program for which RTP support is available. This research program is available for the students who are going to enroll for the research program in PhD or master's or postgraduate program. And then duration. This scholarship program full fee paying scholarship and matches the value of the fee charged by the enrollment elements. This may be up to 2 years for research master's students and up to 3 years for doctoral program, and a 6 months extension may be granted to doctoral candidates in certain circumstances. For example, they are not completing their degrees in 3 years, then they will be given 6 months more to continue it or to accomplish it. How to apply? New applicants must follow the process for submitting an online application for a higher degree by research program, which also includes a section for a scholarship application. You can access the online application here. You can see here. I am showing you in this. We will open this in new tab. You can see here how to apply. First of all, you have to choose your research program, then search for a scholarship, then choose a research topic, find and connect with a research supervisor, and then gather all your documents, and then you have to apply. All documents are required for this are your latest institute transcripts, master's degrees, or for PhD for master's program, undergraduate degrees, letter of statement, motivational letter, 2 recommendation letters, and your updated curriculum. Then key dates and deadlines. Now this application is open to apply because it's already announced on 1st July 2022. So you can apply up to the 30th September. Conditions of the awards. The conditions of the awards, scholarships depend on your academic criteria. If your academic criteria is high, then you will easily be considered for the scholarship automatically. So all these details are about Griffith University International Postgraduate Research Scholarship Australia. If you have further question, you can ask in comment box or you can directly contact me on Telegram group. So that's in today's video. See you soon in next video. Take care and bye.